So Repulse Monkey, the movement of Repulse Monkey, is an evasive movement. And it's a movement that you can do yielding to an attack. So again, I'll get my assistant. An attack may be to the lower body. Sometimes you haven't got room to get to the side, so you have to come back. And when you come back, so it's a little bit lower, when you come back, you can give yourself a little bit of space. If I'm too close, he can get me. But if I sit back a little bit, it takes me a little bit out of range. And then I can strike either to her eyes or to punch to the neck. So try again. So here. And there. Eyes, neck. One more time. Eyes or neck. And you can do this on both sides. See here. Eyes, punch to the neck. All movements can be done with either an open palm, chop, or a fist. So if we do again, see here, we can do it with the strike to the eyes, the strike to the nose, or a slap to the side. So as he comes in, I will sit back, just like in the form of Repulse Monkey. And as he advances, I have to sit back, cover up, strike to the eyes, punch to the neck. Thank you very much.